How to add book now page on your website on Wix. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Wix, now go to the top right here, click on add and click page. Now all what you have to do is search for book now option right here, and here is it right here. Click on book now and choose a template. For example, I'm gonna choose, let's say this one, and now it's gonna be added to my website as you can see right here. Now wait a few seconds and here you go. As you can see, now you can change everything from the informations and the title. Click manage here. As you can see, it's so easy to edit. You can add everything you want. Booking services, as you can see, you can add your service name here, your price, and all those things. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later and thank you so much.